from the grave, but there seems to be a lot of maggots oozing out of her disgusting skeletal remains.
Like this little game of hide and seek, but when I find you, you won't even know your name.